In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to you website in GoHighLevel. By the end, your brand mark will be sitting neatly in your site's header, right where visitors expect to see it. Before we start, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer. A transparent PNG or an SVG usually looks best, and keeping it under a few hundred kilobytes will help your pages load quickly. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sites. This is where all your web assets live. Next, choose Websites. You'll see a list of the sites in your account. Find the website you want to update, then click to open it. Inside the website view, go to the Pages section. Pick the specific page you want to edit, typically your home page, and click Edit to launch the page builder. The builder will open with a live preview in the center and your settings panel on the right. In the preview, click directly on the existing logo in the header. If you're using a template, that logo space is usually an image element at the top left. With the logo element selected, look to the right side panel and open the menu for that element's settings. Scroll or browse until you find the brand logo option. This is where you'll connect your actual logo file. Click the small image icon next to brand logo to open the media library. If your logo is already uploaded, you can select it here. If not, click Upload, then choose Upload File. Navigate to your logo on your computer, select it, and click Open. Give it a moment to upload. You'll see a thumbnail appear in the library once it's ready. Now, click on the newly uploaded logo in the library to highlight it, and then choose Insert Media. Your logo will immediately appear in the Builder preview in place of the placeholder. If it looks too large or too small, you can adjust its size in the same settings panel. A width between about 150 and 300 pixels often works well for most headers, and using a higher resolution version can help prevent blurriness on high-density displays. That's all there is to it. You went to Sites, opened Websites, selected your site and page, clicked into the logo area, navigated to Brand Logo, uploaded your image, and inserted it. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the correct page and that your logo file is clear and properly cropped. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly branded website in GoHighLevel.